Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be playing with my cat, and he is kitten, and he is getting really a lot bigger than the last time I showed a video of him because I don't know. He eats a lot. He always runs around, so he gets his exercise. And I was playing with him earlier, and he always has like these 360s in the air. It's really funny. So, yeah, we're gonna be just, seeing what he does. Kitty. He's being very cute right now. Sometimes he's in like a crazy mood, playful mood, and then like a sleepy, tired mood. And usually in the sleepy, tired mood, he wants to like cuddle, and he's like kind of in a regular mood. Like maybe a bit of a playful mixed with a sleepy mood, but if that makes any sense. If he's walking away now, where is he going? He's not there. Where did he go? Maybe. Oh, he's going in a circle. You're following me, huh? Say hi. Yeah. He is like 17, 18 weeks old. I think he's like 18 weeks old, maybe 17. I'm not sure. I lost count. Hey, stop. No, don't bite it. It's my chair. Look. Oh, he's attacking my toes. You were attacking my toes. You're attacking my toes, huh? Oh, I'm gonna show you something. Let me just grab something. If you ever had a fidget toy, a wacky check, and he likes playing with it. Look. Oh, he picked it up. Ooh, he did like. Good. Okay, come, you got it. Wait a minute, I'm not guys. Oh, nice. And he didn't go get it. Oh, he went. Okay, he's attacking it now. Oh. Wow, he's really just like laying down, grabbing onto it. I think he probably thinks it's a snake. I think he thinks it's a snake. And he just attacks it all the time. But sometimes but when he does it, I gotta watch him because those pieces can come off if you pull really hard. So I was making sure he can choke. Oh, he's going back over here. Come on. Oh, he's just lying down now. Oh, we don't need to do that. Let's scoot over here. Okay. Kitty, hi. Will you play with that toy? Oh my gosh, he's going crazy on it again. Oh, he's putting it inside of his mouth. Okay, stop. Can't put it. Okay, let's see what he does. Okay. Wait, let's see what he does. Okay, I'm gonna stand 1 minute. Okay, so. Oh, he jumped. We're gonna go after it. And I think he doesn't want to play with it anymore. Really? Okay. Oh, he's still playing with it. He's still playing. Wow. Well, I didn't really make any videos longer than 8 or 9 minutes. And yeah, I think we're going to end the video here. So, say bye. Maximus, say bye. Maximus, you say bye. Okay, he's going to not pay attention. Okay, well, bye kids.